Hi my pilots, welcome to my YouTube channel Michalis FPV. Today we have this beautiful drone, the DJI Neo 2, and we're gonna try to fly it with FPV mode. So we have to test it to see if it's possible someone to fly FPV and if it's a friendly drone for someone who want to start in FPV. So I have to test it. The last time I missed some settings of this drone for to fly really as FPV. You know, it didn't let me to roll, to flip. So this time we will try to fix this, and with the normal settings that has from the DJI, and also with these protectors that we have, I'm not gonna remove. I will try to fly it as FPV to see how good it is, if it's possible. Today we have a very strange weather. We have sun and clouds. The last days we had a lot of rain, but this is the first day after long period that is better the weather. We have a little bit wind. This is not so good if you want to fly FPV with this drone. This drone is very light, only 168 grams. We don't need so strong wind, but I will try my best. Stay here and we'll see together how it flies FPV, this drone. Okay. So, my friends, we are ready to start the fly. So I will show you from my screen how you can change the manual to make it manual mode. So you press the button, you go down where is the settings, you press the settings, you go in control, and then you press, and then you go remote control. When you go remote control on the, you're gonna find on the right the design of the remote control, and you're gonna go there where it say for the button custom mode. So you're gonna go down, all down where it's custom mode, and you're gonna turn it to manual mode. And after, you have to go to gain and expo, you press there, and then you have to go there where is M mode attitude limit, and you have to make it black, not green, black. So like this you can fly with flips, with rolls, you know, because the last time I didn't remove this, that's why it didn't let me to fly really FPV mode. The gain and expo, I leave it as it is from iFly. I'm not gonna touch nothing, so we're gonna try to fly FPV with this kind of settings in the gain and expo. So we have really very weird weather. It's changed all the time, the lighting, clouds, sun, clouds, sun. So sorry if the quality is a little bit mess. So let's not lose time. Let's take off and let's start. I'm starting in normal mode. Okay, I take off with normal mode. Now I'm going with sport mode. Now we are going a little bit more fast. We have wind, so probably will not the best weather conditions for to fly real FPV. So I return to manual mode and we are ready to go. Okay, now it's a little bit more dark, you can see. Now we fly really manual mode, FPV. Okay, as you see we have a lot of mud because we had rain the last days. Let's make one, whoopa, flip. It was not so good. Yes, yes, I didn't like it very much. Let's try again. Yeah, it stopped me. It stopped me. I'm trying to make a roll and it stopped me. Let's try. Always you have to know that we consume more of the battery. Eh? Let's try to make power airs. Okay. powers, it was not so bad. And don't forget that we didn't remove the protectors of the props. So, and we have the gain expo settings of iFly. Let's make one more powers. Oh no, that it was roll. Powers, please. Look, the powers with this kind of settings and with this kind of conditions, it's possible to do it. It's not so stable. Maybe if I'm change the expo settings and it will be a little bit more aggressive, then maybe I can have more control. I'm trying to roll, I cannot control it, really. Yeah, this is sad. Maybe I have to try another time also to make a video with different settings, gain expo settings. I saw some YouTubers that are really very good freestylers, and then they change the settings of the gain expo and really flies really fast, but the only problem is overheating the battery, so you have very less time of fly. Okay, powers is possible. Yes. Now for someone who wants to learn to fly FPV, no. If you don't have experience, guys, no. I will say no. It's not so good. Let's try to go to this house. I'm afraid a little bit for the battery. Okay. Let's try to make a powers here. Whoa. Yeah. Oh, now it starts to be more windy. And I see the battery is going to 35%, so I think I have to come back, my friends. Okay, let's come back. Let's go to sport mode. Yeah, here we are. Sport mode. You have to know that also if we're going from normal to sport mode or manual mode, we are losing the obstacle avoid. Okay, I have to remove my glasses to land. This drone, where is? Here it is. I have to go to normal. Come back. Come on. Wow, I miss it. Okay, no one of my best landings. Okay, we have that experience. It was not the perfect conditions. Okay, my pilots, listen. I'm not really impressed with the freestyle of the DJI Neo 2. It's really difficult to control it, especially when I want to roll. It's behave really very weird. And okay, the powers, you can't do it. Looping again, power loop, again, it's not so good, but we use the gain expo of the DJI, so I didn't change anything, and I didn't remove the these protector props. Okay, I didn't remove because many other YouTubers, they remove to have less weight. Maybe it's more flexible, I don't know. But I saw some YouTubers that they change the gain expo and they make it more aggressive. So probably I have to make another video to see with this kind of settings, if we can control better as FPV the DJI Neo 2. So, but till now, the only good thing that I saw is that only the PowerS is possible to do it, but still you need to have experience of fly FPV Freestyle. If you don't have experience, if you are new, no guys, it's not the right drone, this one, for to start FPV. I think it's better you start with a simulator, and then when you have more self-confidence, if you fly more from 50-60 hours, then you can go for something small, but to be really an FPV. This one, no. Maybe the Avatar 2, but the Avatar 2, I don't have it. I'm planning maybe to buy it because they have it in good offer, and because also I need, you know, the Goggles 3, and it's in good offer together with the Avatar 2. I will buy it and I will test with Avatar 2 how is the possible, if it's possible, to start someone FPV with the Avatar 2. But anyway, with DJI Neo 2, no. Till now that I tested, no. And of course, we had a little bit wind, and no, I'm a little bit disappointed. But it's amazing drone. Okay, as a self drone, it's amazing. If you fly it as a mini drone, as we fly the Mini 4 or Mini 5 Pro, you can use it this way. It's amazing. The video quality is fantastic. If you check my other videos, you can see how good is the quality of the video of this small drone. So, my pilots, I wish you to have really a fantastic day, whatever you do. And if you are new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe to Michalis FPV YouTube channel, and don't forget also to press the little bell for to get all the notifications for any new video that I will post here in my channel. So we're gonna try more. We're gonna try more with FPV, and we will see. We will see if can change my mind if we change the Gain Expo settings. So, from the beautiful Greek island of Samos, Michalis salutes you. Bye bye, bye pilots. See you. And don't forget, have happy and safe flights. Bye.